Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to schedule Power Automate desktop flow. For the demo purpose, I have created this flow with display message hello world. Click on run and check its output. Hello world, okay. It's working fine. Click on save. Okay, it has been saved. Here on the application we can see its name learn variables. This is our flow name. Now we need to log into the flow.microsoft.com. So I am opening this URL flow.microsoft.com. So this is opening and already logged in by my ID. Now we'll click on my flows. So here we have the concept of cloud flows, using which we connect our desktop flow to this cloud flow and then trigger it from here. We can check inside desktop flows, our flow is there. Click on cloud flow and create one cloud flow. Here we can check scheduled cloud flow, select it and then name it scheduled flow name. Let's take the same name learn variables and then select here. Let's select it from Monday, coming Monday 22nd March, early morning. Let's take 8 a.m. and then every day. Click on create. So this is the recurrence or the schedule that we have created. Now click on new step. Here we will choose our desktop flow which will be triggered. So when this recurrence will trigger this cloud flow, and after this trigger it will call the next step. In this next step we will select our desktop flows, click here and then our desktop flow is there. Run a flow built with Power Automate desktop. So our flow we have developed using Power Automate desktop. Other options are Selenium IDE and Windows Recorder. For our purpose we will select accordingly. So in this one now we need to select desktop flow, learn variables. Click on run mode. Let's take attended. And in the advanced options, these are the priorities, and also when you first create it you will be asking for this connection. In this connection let's check the connection, the second one. Yeah, it's working. So now in the connection let me show you. In the add connection what we need to do is select the gateway that I have already taught you about how to install the gateway. It is required to connect this web-based Power Automate to connect the flows which is available on our machine. Select the gateway, provide the username with domain. Just open the command prompt and then type who am I, and then we can see here this is our domain and then slash our username. Just provide it here and then in the password provide your password here and then click on create. It will create it, and then here just hide these options, save it. So our flow is fully ready. Now we can test it. Click on here test, we have click on manually, click on test. Now we can run flow. Our flow has been successfully started. We can open this flow runs page in a new tab. Here we can see, here we can check our flow runtime. Its status is running. Let's come here again, click on done and let's wait. We can check here, there is a pop-up, the output of our flow hello world. See, it's totally working fine. Click on OK. Here we can see the status, it is succeeded now. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe for more related knowledgeable videos. Thank you.